Welcome back, friends. This is our Troy Bilt edger, and today we're going to be replacing this this tension cable. So apparently, in order to engage the engine to get it to start, you have to pull down on this lever, which engages a cable, which allows you to start the edger. But it sits outside, so the cable's corroded away, and so we're going to be replacing with one of these. All right, should be relatively quick and straightforward. First and foremost, there's a cowling that covers the cable assembly. This is 1/4 inch. Next, at the neck here, we have a stud, a plastic stud, goes through the tubing to keep it in place. It's probably easiest just to knock it out. I'm just going to use an old bolt, and you can have a hammer. So for this part, because it's a retaining clip that has it's like a one-way retainer, so we gotta squeeze this down and pull it out. Well, probably can't do that, but I will see. Best to do this with a needle nose plier, but can't find mine at the moment. Let me disconnect this first. There. It's a huge pain in the ass, but finally got it in, and now we can kind of get it working again.